Have you ever set an alert or looked at an earnings date and realized the time on your chart makes no sense? This usually occurs because the time zone for your chart is differing from the time zone that you are in. To fix this, all you have to do is look at the bottom right of the TradingView window, right next to the time axis. You will see a timer and a time zone. Click on this. Now, a whole menu of global cities and time zones pops up. You can now scroll and select your local time zone. For example, say we're in New York. Now, the chart time zone automatically reflects that of the one in New York, which is UTC4. Perfect. But say, for example, I wanted to be on the time zone that the exchange of the asset I'm looking at is located at. Now, since we're looking at the NASDAQ E-mini futures, which is hosted on the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, we know that it will be the same time zone as Chicago. Instead of going all the way to the Chicago time zone, TradingView makes this much easier for us. All we have to do is click back on the same time zone button and just click on exchange right at the top. It'll automatically go to the time zone of the exchange of the asset that you're looking at, which is UTC5, the same one that Chicago operates on. Perfect.